In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to use Aircash, a convenient mobile payment app that allows you to send, receive, and manage money effortlessly. Whether you're new to Aircash or just need a refresher, here's a step-by-step guide. First, download the Aircash app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. You'll need to provide some basic information and verify your identity, which usually involves uploading an ID or linking your bank account. Once your account is set up, link your preferred payment method, such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card. This will allow you to add funds to your Aircash wallet and make transactions seamlessly. To send money, tap the Send button. Enter the recipient's phone number, email, or Aircash username, and specify the amount. Add a note if needed, confirm the transaction, and the money will be sent instantly. To receive money, simply share your Aircash username or QR code with the sender, and you'll get a notification once the transfer is complete. You can also use Aircash to pay bills, shop online, or withdraw cash at ATMs if supported in your region. Check the app's transaction history to keep track of all your payments and receipts. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing finances and using apps like Aircash. Thanks for watching and enjoy seamless transactions with Aircash.